Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches, the best glow fairy instant eye repair solution for anyone battling dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines around the eyes. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution to refresh your under eye area, stay tuned as we explore everything this product has to offer. DERMORA's Golden Glow Under Eye Patches come with 20 pairs of individually wrapped eye gels, each packed with nourishing ingredients that are designed to help you tackle multiple skin concerns. Whether you're struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines, these patches are formulated to provide visible results. Simply place them under your eyes, and let them work their magic. The cooling sensation helps reduce puffiness, while the rich, golden formula infuses your skin with revitalizing nutrients. These under-eye patches not only smooth out wrinkles and fine lines but also brighten the area, giving your eyes that refreshed and rejuvenated glow. It's the perfect solution for anyone dealing with tired, stressed skin. Plus, the convenient packaging makes it super easy to take them on the go, so you never have to worry about leaving your eye care routine behind, whether you're traveling for work or heading to a weekend getaway. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. No matter your skin type, these patches work wonders on all combinations of skin. They're even travel-friendly, ensuring that you can refresh and revitalize your skin whenever you need it. If you're someone who's constantly on the move, the individually wrapped patches are the perfect solution for quick, hassle-free skincare anywhere. But it doesn't stop there. These golden glow under eye patches can also make a great gift. Whether it's for a bachelorette party or a wedding gift bag stuffer, they'll leave a lasting impression. And, as a bonus, the formula is designed to give your skin that instant lift, leaving it feeling tighter and more nourished. It's a thoughtful way to treat your loved ones to a little bit of luxury. The DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches are a great addition to your skincare regimen. With their potent formula and easy-to-use design, you'll notice a difference in no time. If you're looking for a way to give your eyes some much-needed love and care, these patches are an excellent choice. So, if you're ready to experience the ultimate under-eye treatment, the DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches should be your go-to. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest product reviews. Until next time, take care of yourself and your skin.